Hey y'all, Neal, Nsheppard, Willies at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. We have a special guest today and a special surprise, so you got to stay tuned. Miss Ashley Jones, y'all. And Ashley, she always represents for Akins, so anytime she's out and about, she's always representing.
I love Akins.
That means a lot to us, y'all. Remember that video back in the day? How long ago was that? Was that
A year and a half ago?
a year and a half? Time flies. Time really does fly. And we were sitting right here on this truck, and we were talking and dreaming about possibilities of a dealership and accessory store offering similar trucks to this to really take care of all the needs of people just like, so there's a huge market for that. So what we take pride in here is being diverse, offering vehicles that everyone could, find some liking to. So there's a definite segment for a vehicle like this, and myself and yourself and Caleb Kicklighter, one of our installers, and Jason McDaniel, and even Mr. Akins, of course, loves this style truck. So that dream is finally, I think, should we show them?
We should. We probably should.
Let's do it. So, what do y'all think? More importantly, what do you think?
I love it.
Would this be the perfect rig?
Yes, absolutely. It looks so good.
This is a 2021 Akins Ford F-450 Platinum in iconic silver. It was important to Caleb and I especially to not do a black truck. We knew we wanted to paint this bed, so we wanted a color that was special. And iconic silver, it just has that elegance and class to it that we were looking for.
These wheels and tires, I love them. They're so big. How do you make them work on something that can pull such heavy trailers?
Absolutely. So we have American Forged stars in 22-inch. So we got that with 37, 12.5, 22 Toyo Open Country RT. This is a tire that looks aggressive. It looks like a mud terrain tire, but y'all are on the road a lot, right?
We are.
So
yes.
you're
muddy rodeos.
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's important to have a tire that is capable of on and off road, but not beat you to death or be real noisy. And to accommodate that, we had to do some suspension modifications slightly. It was important for us not to do major modifications suspension-wise, so that it can accommodate and still have confidence in towing. So we did a 2.5-inch coil spring level kit up front, and then we did Fox shocks front and rear, and a Fox dual steering stabilizer up front as well. And then we have a airlift wireless airbag system for the rear also. So you've got confidence when you're hooking up big loads, and you've got bigger, more supple ride quality in a 37-inch tire that's not quite as rigid, as hard as that factory wheel and tire combo. So we've got bigger wheel and tires that it looks amazing, but you're not sacrificing or compromising anything with our overall setup there. So level kit, shocks, and airbags in the rear to give you all that you need.
Gotcha.
But the bed's a CM ER bed. It's a steel skirted bed, and like I said, it came raw to us, and our body shop painted it up. And it was Caleb's thoughts to put the lights down the side.
I love the lights down the side.
There we go.
So
it just has that mean look coming down the road to it, like, get out of my way, I mean business. But also we have rock lights underneath as well, and it's rigid SRQ bumper lights out back, and E-Series lights on your top headache rack right there. So you got full use and functionality at nighttime, because sometimes you just need a lot of visibility at night when you're hooking up and trying to load everything up. This is a platinum truck. So a platinum truck. This truck actually had a normal bed on it. You ask us why do we need to take the bed off, Ash?
Because when you get a cabin chassis, it comes with 100 less horsepower.
Yes, when you're pulling 40-foot plus rigs with lots of weight behind it, you need power. It's pretty simple. So 475 horsepower and 1,050 pounds of torque. In comparison, a normal chassis truck 450 would have 330 horsepower and 825 pound-feet of torque. So that's a big difference.
It's a huge difference. I think this truck would really, really make a difference pulling a lot of weight.
So for those of you that may not know that, consider your next build, hopefully with us, of doing something similar, ordering a normal 450 truck and allowing us to install a bed instead of doing a chassis truck to where your power is going to be limited. The whole point of this was to be the best overall Western hauler inspired truck we could possibly do. And I'm partial, but do you think we nailed it?
I think you nailed it. Y'all did great.
I know this one's gonna sell fast.
Whoever gets it will have a very, very nice truck.
Absolutely. And then the Platinum truck in itself, it's got all the amenities you could ask for. It's got the moonroof that you love.
I love the moonroof.
It's got adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist, heated and cooled seats.
Yes,
It has
the steps that come
the
out.
power folding steps,
Yep.
which are just a great overall entry and exit, hassle-free way there. Beautiful truck. The biggest thing I want to tell you guys and gals is this is not a single thought. We have many more thoughts of how we can do more variations and different renditions of this Western style Reserve Edition truck. So you got to stay tuned for us and hit us up. Maybe we can build one for you next.